All right. What's going on, AVN? How's it going? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. How is everyone doing? Feeling like the market could recover a bit today. Yeah, yeah, I would hope so, but you never know. Market dropped 500, almost 600 points on Friday, so I would hope it could recover a little bit of that today. Again, just depends on if there's any tweets or any random news, because the market's just pretty much moving on news lately. How was everyone's weekend? Anyone do anything interesting? I was in Georgia, Athens, Georgia all week last week. We're back. And then this coming Saturday, I leave on a ski trip for a week as well. So busy but fun for me coming up. So yeah. SBS is long on 1 minute. Yeah, I see that from right here. Nice. It's down currently, but I don't ever trade pre-market, especially like 20-30 minutes before open. I don't like to do. I only trade market open. 48 range actually would be entering long pretty much right now as well, or potentially. I don't have my trade time on now though, so. I see not many people viewed the Botfolio video last night, so You guys should probably check that out. I think it'd be good for everybody to watch. Camille, what's going on? So did anyone do anything interesting over the weekend? I already asked that, no one answered, but I am doing good so far, yes, thank you, thank you. Why don't the people in here tell me, okay, please, there's 20 of you in here. Tell me what kind of YouTube content you want to see, okay? Please. It's gonna be anything you want. Just tell me what kind of YouTube content you want to see. Do you want to see manual trading strategies? Do you want to see more on algos? Do you want to see more in-depth stuff on Botfolio? Do you want a YouTube trading course? You want me to make a manual trading course on YouTube or whatever? Would you watch more vlog / trading style content mixed? Tell me, please. Live manual trading. Thanks for being the only one to answer. I appreciate that. All right, well, that's it. Okay.
We wanted to see a nice clean push down for that trend line. Don't buy this thing up. Just break it down. Come on.
We got some chatty folks in here today, guys. Come on, wake up. Market's about to open. All right. Some levels that I'm interested in. I would be interested in this on the open around 740, 735. Okay. If we can get a dip down to the upside, really just this level 854 up to 872. Okay. I'd be watching that. And then of course this giant block down here at 700, 701. Pretty much down to like 685, I'd be interested. First half of this. Okay, so these three I'd be interested in. Okay. Market opens in a few minutes. What's your latest trailing stop setting? Same thing as usual. I have the 60 tick. With a 0.45. Same as every other time, pretty much. We're dumping here before the open, which I don't really want to see, to be honest. I wanted to kind of see this during the open, because I would have probably bought this like this with a 10-point stop. But I don't really, I mean, I could have done it right now, but it's like it might have been a good idea to do it right now. So I was looking for this on the open. Looks like we could have just done that though. Would have been an easy 300 bucks already on one contract. I don't like, never really trade 5 minutes before the open though. Never should trade a few minutes before the open. Unless you're already in a trade though. Unless you're already in a trade. But yeah, that would have been an easy 400 bucks there. Oh boy. You guys saw that live, right? Just a little 2-to-1 right there. Yeah, I wanted to see that move right on the open though. Or like a minute after open, where we kind of dip down quick into this and then we can see something. But yeah, that's kind of upsetting. Just got wicked out, yeah. I don't ever do pre-market with SBS Autotrader, so. It's like Tesla's dropping quite a bit here into the right into the open. It's not quite open, 20 seconds, but. Yeah, I was looking for that move though. After. Well, we are falling off on YouTube, guys. No one's interested in the SBS Autotrader anymore. We have 16 viewers. Just like a month and a half ago, we had to get like 30, 40. Sometimes 60. It's a shame. People give up on things so quick these days. All right, so market's open. Right back down to that level, but I really would only be interested in like the 700 level at this moment. We are wicking out of that 735 level again, just a little bit. No news today, so nothing to worry about there. And there's another wick out, nice. So we bounced from that same spot. Looks like the equities are moving up here in the open. Yeah. A little bit of a divergence between ES and NQ though. Kind of in the middle of nowhere on the chart. I mean, we're at the 750 level, but like, I'm not interested unless we move down to like 700 really. I was interested in this, but we already used up that fair value gap, so it's not really valid anymore to me. Still valid, but not to me and how I would want to use it.
Filled.
Oops, I need to turn that volume off. Okay, it doesn't let me.
Order filled. Order canceled.
That's the bullish move. Okay. Okay, folks. So that would have been absolutely beautiful if we could have been in this. That would have been beautiful. Remember, time to trade. It should be 9:35 for all of you. I have it set to 9:32 just for trading's sake, but just for trading's sake of entertainment. But you guys should know 9:35 is more of the recommended time, okay? But yeah, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful pump there on the open. We got wicked out on the 15. We're still in on everything else. You can use the boss level strategy. Aftermarket open. Gotcha. So there was like a fair value gap right here, which there was, which we did tap. Let's see right there. But if there was like a new fair value gap that wasn't used, I probably would have shorted right here, and that would have been nice too. But there was nothing. So we are currently up on these trades. This trade was a loss, but these trades looks like they're all winners. So 30 points, 35 points profit there. Completely inversing that whole move. Wow. We're definitely going to take out the lows now, I think. What's going on, Zero? Good morning. Good morning. There is a poll up if you guys want to vote on it. 10 votes to just mark it up or down today. 60% of you said up. Shoot, go ahead, man. Good morning, TJ. Yep, I'm back for the week. And then on Saturday, I'm actually heading to Canada for a ski snowboarding trip. And I haven't snowboarded in a long time, so I'm excited for that. So next week, I won't be doing live streams as well. But then after that, we'll be back for a while, so. Can use a little bit of a break, you know, away from the charts and stuff. Nice winners. Yeah, those were some nice winners right there. 35, 40 points or so. That was 9:32 start time. Most of you, I think, have 9:35, which is more recommended. But still nice. This 15-second was a loss, but if you add up the other three charts, we're doing good so far. So I'd be thinking from here, we probably move more into 700. Yeah, I think we move more into 700. Also, for anyone interested, I made a Botfolio video yesterday, and there is a waitlist now open. Okay. It's just first come, first serve for the signups. I put the links in the description of this live stream as well. Okay. I opened 2 lifetime spots. They are expensive, but it's worth it. Take a look at the Google Doc in that video, guys. It's pretty cool. If anyone didn't see it, I'm just gonna pull it up because I like looking at it. And we're not in any trades right now, so oops. So Botfolio is now, it's a 32 bot, 32 strategies automated, 96% returns in the last 12 months, based off 50K account for all these. These are the returns since 2020. And if you started a 50K account in 2020, your account would be at 270,000 now. But this Google Doc sheet has all the equity curves and stuff on it. Moving down close to 700. Definition of a number 5 is a double bottom, double top. That's all it is. It doesn't have to be swept or anything. Bought 700, actually got filled at 703, exited at 720, moved really quick. I actually manually closed out after I had a limit sell, or a limit sell, and then I couldn't get out, or I got out so quick that I accidentally shorted another contract. So yeah, only plus 275 when it should have been around 400. Should have just stuck with my gut there, left it. Can we enter double top or double bottom? Yep, you can do whatever. Doesn't have to be swept. There's no rule for a number 4 having to be swept. So again, I just took this trade. I got bad fill, 703. And I had my TP at 23, and I sold like right here. And then I got filled short here at 23 because I couldn't X out fast enough, but that's kind of, oh well. But nice pop out of there. Just took another little tiny scalp for 80 bucks. Really tiny. I thought it was a little more than that. I must be getting some bad fills today. Yeah, only 5 points. Right off the 700 level again. Entry price was 700.5. So usually I do hold for, I put a 10-point stop there. So this is the trade I just took a tiny scalp. This with a 10-point stop. Usually I do like going for a 2 risk reward. So could still be in this trade. And again, we took one right here as well that did hit 20 points. So that was the first trade. That hit. I just took this trade into this as well, which up 10 points right now, so could have held that a little bit longer, but okay, looks like we could have held the whole thing. Could have had 2 20-point manual trades. I don't know if 700 is a daily open, but it's just a key level I have marked out, and it's a bunch of fair value gaps here. It fits my strategy. But yeah, I didn't want to hold both these really long just because of how quickly we dumped here. So when I'm longing after a big drop like this, like 80, 90 points, I don't like holding very long or for a big sustained move, because a lot of times we just get like a quick pop for like 10, 15 points and then we continue lower. So I was thinking on this first trade, I'll just take my, you know, early points there, and then this trade pretty much hopped out for like right here for 5 points. And because, you know, I think we might just get a quick pop, and then I was already hesitating, so a lot of times we just roll over to the downside after that. So I didn't want to push my luck there, and especially on a Monday. Monday is not the time to push your luck. You want to get those early wins in the week and stack up some small wins, right? Especially on a funded account and stuff. So I made $351 there on a mini. I did kind of mess up the first trade, which it's because the market moves so fast. Still ended up 350 though. Top step, you only need 5 days of 200 or more, and you can take a 50% payout. So no need to stretch your luck there. Good thing about Top Step is if you really wanted to, you could play with your profits a little more than like Apex or something. But yeah, if I held this trade, I would have been stopped. So next area I'd be interested in is if we get a little bit of a recovery back up here and then we dump back into this level. Otherwise, to the downside, really 600 or this overlap gap here at 580. And that'd be of interest. But could we get some more likes on the live stream, guys? We got 30 of you in here. We got 8 likes. I actually like my own live stream, so we only have 7 likes. I see a lot of you just changing your vote on the poll. I mean, I see it. People just wait to vote on the poll until the market chooses the direction. And then they're like, it's just going to continue that direction all day. I think the market goes up today. There's my prediction. I should probably close my Top Step X so I don't keep trading. Let's do that. Gotta set some boundaries for yourself. You're bearish now? Gotcha. Let me check on Botfolio. I'm gonna hide my screen though. Don't want to leak anything, all right? We're not in any SBS trades currently. Botfolio is only in 1 trade. Down $40. Nothing right now. All right, we're back. Boom. Now we're in a 32 range short. This was the short here. Looks like a really nice entry. See if we can just move straight down there. This is actually this TP meets with a long entry, so that might be a good spot if we could reach there to scale for sure. Up 20 points currently. Anyone else get in this 32 range? Anyone? All right, the Jules, you're in. The equities, Microsoft dropped a lot actually for Microsoft. Meta dropping, Nvidia's moving up actually. Nvidia is probably the only reason NQ's staying somewhat alive right now. Apple moved up a little. That's about it though. Letting SBS trade, so no manual for you. Nice. A lot of people that see the most success with SBS let SBS do the entries and then they manage the trade how they want. So maybe some of them would have already moved the stop loss to break even. Maybe some of them would have already clicked flatten, right? They use some of their own analysis and trading experience to manage the trade. But they let SBS find the entries because oftentimes I say SBS most days gives you a good opportunity to end the day green. Not every day, but like right now, you're up 20 points. If you really wanted to, if it was part of your managing style, you could flatten the trade and boom, you'd be out for 20 points profit, right? So I think we do move. It looks like we are rolling over, so I'd expect us to hit this TP here. We're trailing now. Trailing. I think we do hit 700 again. Let's see. Yep, we do. Okay. We are 26 points in profit now, so this is looking good. Let's see if we could dump. This might just be a one and done. So if you guys are in this trade, let me know. And if we hit the full TP here, this could be a one and done trade. It's pretty early still, but it is kicking back. We're actually holding a bullish for value gap on the 1 minute currently. So we're gonna want to break. Oh, wow. Okay, that's got to be one and done, guys. We're up $1,000 there. Turning it off. If you guys caught that. That was quick. That was quick, guys. Big dump there. And that is all she wrote. That's all she wrote. Hold on, let me turn this blank for a second. I just don't want to leak any of my actual account information accidentally. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that was really nice. Yeah, if you guys caught that win, post a testimonial, because that was really nice. And we are dumping, guys. We're dumping. Somehow, after all those viewers, after all those wins, we lost some viewers. That's okay. Again, next level is this. You can see from the green we marked out earlier. That is 580. 580. Big dump. Big dump. Let's see what. Oh my. Nvidia just crashed. That's why. Okay. We're dropping, guys. See how Mr. Wilson's
right
doing.
About our trade idea, 100% right about our prediction for price, and it's a beautiful thing, you guys. Beautiful thing. Can't ask for more. What's up, Joey? It's all about consistency, long term. Oh, we did good. I don't know if you wanna talk or if you're doing your stream right now. You're more than welcome to. I'm sure you're probably doing your stream. We're good. We're up 40 points.
Is the screen still?
Idea was,
oh no, it's not.
Shorts down to 21,676 for the opening gap from last night. The trade idea worked out beautifully. We took shorts leading into market open, or a little bit before market open. We caught about 30 points on the initial drop down to the trend line I had drawn up. We exited early in case we got a reversal, and then re-entered when we saw the rejection right after open. We got stopped out in the chop for another 10 points, but the trade idea that we had was for a little over 100 points, about 106, and it played out beautifully. We just got chopped out, or got shut down early, because I'm very, very nervy about moving stop loss. I'm very antsy. But I'll take that. I'll take smaller profits every day over any type of losses. I'm still compounding. I believe in that small incremental approach every single day. All right, buddy. You have a good one. Good luck to you guys.
If anyone doesn't know who Mr. Wilson is, good manual trader. One of our analysts does live streams in the Discord for free. Okay. So feel free to join. Just have to claim the Mr. Wilson role. But yeah, that's a big dump there, guys. So you guys green, red, flat? What's going on? Give me an update. Green, red, flat. I know final boss I think is down today. If you're using the final boss settings or something. Red, what was the trades you took, Nils? Good question. Not really a lot of good shorting opportunities, to be honest. It's no real pullbacks. 1 minute unicorn. Gotcha. Sim account. Gotcha. 1 minute is green from this trade at 9:33. That's before most people's start time. And I know it took a loss pre-market, but yeah, I don't personally really like pre-market. But wow, that was quite the drop there. And we're still dropping. We're almost at this 580. Almost at this 580. So you could get like an entry maybe like right here. Stop would pretty much be at the low of the fair value gap. If you get maybe a little lower, say the midpoint, or just at the top. Doesn't really matter. I would just put a 10-point stop, which would have been like right here. But if you get an entry in the middle, that's a little better. Put your stop loss outside. Although it would be long in this dump, so not always the smartest choice, right? This is just a paper trade. Yes. Yes, is dropping big too. What time frames? What time was the 32 range trade? It was at 9:46. And then I had another short this morning, 9:32. But that's obviously before 9:35. But yeah, 9:46 was the big one. So if you guys caught, if you're up on the day, if you're running 32 range, you should be up on the day, especially at least on MNQ. I know a lot of people using final boss settings now. Algo trading and live manual trading. What's the name of the overlap? It's called Say Hi. SEIHAI. Well, guys, what do you say? I think we call it a morning. It's an early live stream end, but market's just pretty much moving straight down. And there's not going to be any more SBS trades when we're moving straight down. We're already down 300 points today. And the equities are dropping big too. So I think we're going to end it. We're up on the day. Pretty good. 1,000 on the 32, 380 on the 48, 400 on the 1 minute, and down 380 on the 15 second. But yeah, we're gonna end it. It's been a good day overall. I will see everybody tomorrow for a live stream. All right. If you have any cool YouTube video ideas, please DM me, and I'll see everybody later.